guys! Welcome to my 25th unboxing! Let's start! Ayan. What's inside the box? Dun, 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 dun. It's a beauty product. LED PHOTON beauty mask. Multi-function. Ayan. Ayan siya. Let's open it. Tingnan natin. Parang nasira na yung kanyang paksa. Sabi dito, new way. Ayan. New way na siya ng pagpapa ganda. Ayan. Excuse me po. Dumaan yung asawa ko. Oh my gosh! Look at this! It's cute! Ang cute niya! It's so cute! I like the color! And my wire, ayan, there's a wire for charging. And of course, ang instruction niya. Tingnan muna natin. Parang nakakatakot gamitin. And there's a strap. Ayan, may strap para magstay. Ayan siya. Tanggalin natin. Gupitin natin yung ano. It's gonna cut the plastic. The whole set. And this is adjustable. Ayan. Garterized and adjustable. Pwede mo i-adjust. You can adjust it. Oh my gosh. Look at these. I will try to fit on my face. Let's see if it's fit. Of course, it will. Hopefully, na magsumakto lang sa, ano. But I will not turn it on yet. I need to read the instruction first, how to use it. Ayan. So, maluwag. Ayan. Hello! Wait. Talagang kaiba yung amoy niya. Muy bago. Ayan. Itsura ko, oh. I-read muna natin ang instruction para ma-try. Ayan. Okay, let's read the instruction. And the function, rather. There's a 4 functions ng lights niya. First is automatic mode. Red, green, and blue light operate automatically to achieve the triple effect of skin care at once. Ayan siya. There's a 3 kinds of light on this mask. One is a red light, which is brightening mode, featuring a high purity, strong light source and uniform energy density, promote cell metabolism, stimulate the secretion of collagen, fibrous tissue to achieve the effect of anti-aging, antioxidant, and repair. That's the red light. And there's a green light. Ang function ng green light niya ay radiance mode. Sabi dito, dilute and decompose the melanin to lighten dark spots and acne, thereby improving dull complexion and restoring healthy and natural skin. It's the green light. And the third is blue light, which is soothing mode. Destroy effectively bacterium. Ang hirap basahin. During the formation of acne, to remove the acne marks and flora without any harm to skin. Ayan. Propionibacterium. Ayun siya ang pagbasa. Ang hirap basahin, guys. So, ayun nga. Ipapakita ko yung lights niya. Tingnan, i-on natin. Ayan. Ayan.
Automatic mode.
Ito automatic mode. Yung tatlong light ang maano. Tapos,
Brightening mode.
ito brightening mode, the red light.
Radiance mode.
This is the radiance mode, the green light. And the third one is
Soothing mode.
soothing mode, the blue light. Ayan. Ayan, off na natin. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in my next unboxing. Bye-bye.